the meta before was, okay, leave your hometown and surround yourself with, build your circle of people you actually choose to be with, rather than just conveniently being placed beside in your hometown, in your city. But now the thing is like, you can find your tribe online. You can build those people online. I just watched this video. I'll play it right here. This guy, Nick.
Like, dude, the channel has blown up in the last 24 hours. Crazy. Check this out. This is more or less the same thing that happened with my main channel. If I just posted every single day for long enough and just consistently provided value, yeah, I mean, we're already up to like 3,000 plus views.
Did you hear what he just said? Just post it every day for long enough, it eventually blows up. He's up 500 subs in like the first week. He's exactly where I want to be. So I take what he says essentially as gospel, because his videos are too long. I don't listen to them all, but like when I hear shit like that, I'm like, all right, cool. He knows what he's doing, and he's literally doing it. He's making $1 million plus a year. He's hopefully making $2 million this year. So it's like, okay, well, if I can make just 10% of that, that's 200K. Like find someone who's exactly in the shoes that you want to be, not your parents. Don't listen to your parents who've never done a business or never executed on any of their ideas. Don't listen to your parents' friends who are miserable, but they started a shawarma shop or whatever. Like, don't listen to those people. Find someone on the internet who's living a happy life in a location, monetary goals of exactly where you want to be. And we're not even reading books about, oh, this guy did it 10 years ago, like a Tim Ferriss style. It's like, no, this guy's doing it as we speak. He's doing it right now. Find people that are exactly where you want to be and follow exactly what they say. Okay, so after he said that, I looked up here on my YouTube and it was like, oh, 500 views in the last 48 hours. And I was like, 48, like normally this says like 3, 10, 20 views a day. This is 600. I was like, okay, that's not normal. So I look, this video got 500 views. Honestly, yesterday I was looking at the video, it had like 3 views. I thought this video is kind of flunking, whatever, I'll just keep posting. When 200 out of 700 people actually downloaded this template, gave me their email, gave me their name, paid me money. Some of them literally paid me money. I said it was free and they still were like, nah, let me give you $20, $4, whatever. They literally gave me money. I was like, holy shit, 700 people or 500 people is actually a fuck ton of people. So I looked up this, 500 people in a room, and it's literally this. I only got 500 views. Here's what 500 people in a room looks like. This is 500 people. Like, are you kidding me? So to find your tribe online is like 100 times more valuable than finding your tribe in person. Obviously, there's a little bit of differences, but like if I'm going to go to a networking event and meet like 20 professionals who are just there to like grow their business and are like old heads and aren't into AI and aren't on YouTube and aren't my demographic, they're not like, I'm speaking to you in the audience, like you're probably exactly like me. You probably wear similar clothes to me. You probably wear similar hats to me. And this will continue to get views in perpetuity. Like in 10 years, this will probably still be getting like 20 views a day. Networking events don't work like that. We are at the age now, I'm speaking about myself, but I'm assuming you too. We're at the age, we're cool, or we're successful, we're doing whatever we want that our past selves used to watch. I am now who I used to look up to. So now that you're in this spot of like peak YouTube career potential mixed with everyone's still watching YouTube and content, it's easier to make content. We're at this apex, you need to be making content right fucking now because shit could change like that. Like AI shit is happening fast. Technologies are booming quick. Like things just get changed fast. So we're at this perfect apex. Like you're at the age, you're at the coolness, you're doing cool shit, you're building your business, whatever, document it, post on shit online. So the competition is coming, essentially. I talked about that in this video here. You have 3 years left to get rich. The competition is coming and you're at the age right now that people want to watch you. So take advantage of that, post YouTube. Like literally like stuff's kind of working. I got these views on Pinterest. Let me show you this. I'm used to having like 6 followers. First I saw 650 and then I checked again a week later, it was at 870, and I checked again a week later, it was at 1 million. And I was like, holy shit, 1 million. So then today I checked again and I was at 2.6 million. I'm like, okay, it can't grow more than that. Like what the hell is going on? 3.6 million in the 60 days, and then 90 days, it was like 3.7 million. On Pinterest, I'm not doing anything. I just use my high-level reposting thing, schedule. It's literally one more click and it just automatically uploads it to Pinterest. It's like, why would I not do that? I might as well do that. I never expected this in my life. Like, I'm the person, I'm like, oh, who's posting these viral pins on Pinterest? Who posts on Pinterest? That was me like 2 months ago. And now I'm like, I'm the guy who posts on Pinterest. That's me. I don't know how the fuck this happened. Like, we're at this opportunity now, man. You got to take advantage of it. And I'm speaking to myself more than I'm speaking to you, but I just like to publicize these things because like Pinterest, I'm like, I might as well document like my own journal. Like journaling is like you spend time writing it down and then what? You read it? Why not just journal to myself on a camera and fucking 4 million people could see it? Like the scale of journaling online on this YouTube journaling of this, I don't know, that makes them, there's so much more exponential potential for this. Like look at this. I don't know, man. I'm just going to keep posting, but I just wanted to get on here and do another video for you. But yeah, post